Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Huobi to bank account, full guide. First, log into Huobi and complete identity verification, then link your bank account and confirm it is active. Next, check your available balance and the currency you want to withdraw, plus any network or banking fees. Choose the correct withdrawal method, enter bank details precisely, confirm amounts, and authorize the transaction with 2FA or email confirmation. Warmly, let's pick the right currency and understand fees so you avoid surprises. Convert crypto to fiat if Huobi requires bank withdrawals in your local currency, and double-check conversion rates in the sell screen. Review the displayed withdrawal fee and any network fee that applies, and consider slower methods if fees spike. Confirm totals before submitting the withdrawal to ensure the received amount matches expectations and budget planning. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a fun gadget to keep nearby while handling finance tasks, and it can remind you about payments and security checks. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Now we will initiate the withdrawal step by step so you can follow along calmly. Enter your bank information carefully, choose the correct transfer type, and specify the withdrawal amount. Small test transfers are helpful for new links. Use two-factor authentication to authorize the request and note the transaction ID and estimated processing time. Monitor your bank account and Huobi withdrawal history until funds clear and reach your bank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.